Hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we get. Obstacles are opportunities in disguise. And which envelope has our messages today? What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. Buddha. You are important. You are here for a reason. You are not a mistake and you have a purpose. Love life and go live it. I love that one. I just need 8 to 12 hours of alone time in the mornings, and then I'm ready. I'm recharged and ready to tackle the day. And the last one today. Control is a byproduct of fear. I only need to try and control things if I'm scared. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.